In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. I'm also good, alhamdulillah. Welcome in our online class. It's our science periods. As today is Tuesday, 8 December 2020. It is our science lecture time and our today's topic is using electricity. Chapter number 20. Our today's task is reading and explanation of this chapter. So students, get ready for the reading of this chapter using electricity. Students, before starting the reading, I want to take the short review about this chapter that I want to tell you what we will learn about electricity. We need electricity to use many things. Number 2, electricity can be dangerous. Number 3, we should save electricity. And number 4, we use electricity every day. Students, now I want to share some home appliances which works on electricity. As you can see in this image, here is an electric kettle, washing machine, sandwich maker, oven, refrigerator and juicer blenders. These are all the home appliances which works on electricity. These all needs electricity for working. You all have seen these appliances at your home. So now let's read the chapter using electricity. Okay students, all of you open your science book and open lesson number 20. The name is using electricity. Firstly, you will write the short date at the top of your page, that is 8-12-2020. And firstly, start the reading. As I have told to you about uses of electricity, now I will read and explain for you. As you can see, electricity is the main usage of our daily routine. Now let's read. We use electricity every day. When we flip a switch and light up a dark room, when we wash clothes, when we listen to the radio, we are using electricity. In our daily routine, students, we use electricity as listening the radio, washing the clothes and light up the dark room. We use electricity by flip a switch. Okay students, wires take electricity to the sockets in our home. Then we can use it. This is main electricity. This is the socket, and by the wires we can take electricity at our homes. Electricity is used for washing the clothes, for light up the room, for listening the radio. Is it clear students? A torch also uses electricity. This is a torch. It also uses electricity. How it uses electricity? This electricity comes from batteries. Which electricity used in this torch? It comes from batteries. Inside the batteries are chemicals. You can see this is the picture of a battery. Inside the batteries there is a chemical. The chemical make electricity and electricity lights the torch bulb. This chemicals make the electricity which light the torch bulb. This is also a kind of battery. These are also the kind of batteries. And in the last paragraph, electricity is valuable. We should save electricity. Electricity has many dangers. We have to be very careful while using electricity. How can electricity dangerous for us? Now let's see the safety rules on page number 117. Here on this page, here are some safety rules. We should remember these safety rules while using electricity. Here are some pictures of some safety rules. Dry your hands when using electricity. As you can see in this picture, a boy is touching the button, touching the socket with the wet hand, so it is wrong position. Dry your hands when using electricity. Number 2, never connect wires to a socket without plug. Number 3, do not pull anything into wall socket. Don't use machine that has broken wires. Never put a metal object into an electric machine. And the last one is, don't put too many machines into one socket. If we will not follow these rules, we may feel danger by these carelessness. Okay students, we should follow these safety rules before using electricity. I hope you have understand this chapter. Allah Hafiz.